Hello guys, I am Nitin and you are watching my channel Plug Your Thoughts. In our today's session, I am going to tell you how to create a proper vlog for YouTube videos. Let's get started. So, to create a perfect vlog, you need to remember a few points in your mind. Number one, content of the video. Content should be such that people can understand it. Content should be anything, whatever you have in your mind, you can create. The second point is title. Title should be correct. Once you are going to upload your video, you need to put some title. Title should be such that people can read and understand about the content of your video. Third point is description. Once you are able to create your title, then definitely you can write a proper description for your video. Definitely that description should also be related to your video content. Fourth point is thumbnail. Thumbnail is a picture which will appear first in the starting of your video. So after writing the proper description, you need to create a proper thumbnail for your video. Once people will scroll the app, they will see your thumbnail first. You can say if thumbnail is good, in that case people will attract to your video and they will definitely see your video. The last point is tag. After doing everything, you need to put some tags into your video. I am definitely sure if you are doing everything, whatever I have told you, if you are doing these things, then definitely people will see your video and you will get more views. So that's it for today. See you in next video. Thank you.